Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and action, and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay guys, let's see your person current feelings towards you. So Libra, your person current feelings. Two of Swords, your person first. Two cards. The Hermit. Whoa. Magician. Your person right now undergoing some spiritual awakening process, then they will in this energy they want to manifesting you back, and they want to manifest everything in their life like money, career, love, whatever. So let's see your reading. Maybe for some your person may be manipulator, player type energy, because magician sometimes treated as manipulator also. So Libra, let's see your first card. Your person current feelings towards you is Two of Swords. So right now your person may be at some crossroads. They don't know which decision they have to make, because it's their decision time. They have to make some decision, but they don't know, because see, blindfolded they are, and Two of Swords energy, and there are some crossroads. Yeah, they are maybe at a situation like choosing between head over heart like situation. They are unable to make any decision right now. Yeah, maybe it's you and other person, maybe it's you and third party situation, it could be anything, but right now your person may be thinking about you and not able to making any decision right now, Libra. And then Hermit card. Yeah, your person right now isolated themselves from all and undergoing some spiritual awakening. They are not talking to you, and this is no contact situation right now between you and your person, because your person want to see things very clearly, and definitely there is some spiritual awakening is going. They're thinking about you a lot, but right now they are not contacting you, but they're thinking about you. And then the Devil, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Virgo or Capricorn. The Devil energy, yeah, they're obsessively thinking about you. There is obsession between both of you. Yeah, definitely, because the with the Hermit and Devil, during the transformation also they're thinking about you a lot, and there is some obsession also. They're obsessed with you and they're obsessively thinking about you. They have strong bond between both of you. For some it could be karmic connection also. They want to, if they want to, if they make decision to leave you, but they are unable to leave you, because this is a strong bond between both of you. They're obsessed with you. There is a lot of obsession I am getting here. And under the deck, Magician. So after the transformation they decided to manifest you again back. They want you back, because the Magician, for some your person may be player type energy. That's why there is some no contest situation had happened. There is your person is non-committal also for some. So let's see your person current their actions. Okay, then we will get more clarity what's going. Again under the deck, Three of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Waiting game is going between both of you. So let's see your person actions towards you, Libra. Nine of Pentacles. Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Under the deck, Ace of Cups. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you and they have love for you. Ace of Cups is here. Definitely they have love for you for sure. And but they, for some your person is non-committal. That could be the issue also, because Nine of Pentacles, Your person for some is very abundant and already financially stable. For some, your person right now concentrating on their career and thinking about their career. That's why they're at some crossroads. They don't know which decision they have to make, because for some this relationship for your person like a burden, like a hard work type of thing. That's why they have to choose between career and you for some. That's why Nine of Pentacles, still Five of Swords. Again, definitely there are some disturbances and misunderstandings between both of you. Five of Swords energy, and again Six of Swords. So this is moving on, what I'm getting here. Maybe this time they want to concentrate on their self, because Six of Swords is moving on, because Five of Swords energy, there is a lot of disturbances between both of you. That's why your person maybe decided to move on. For some, very few, your person want to fix the things between both of you. In very rare cases, because lot of you, I am seeing your person decided to move on right now. For some it could be temporary, but right now your person undergoing spiritual awakening. They're obsessively thinking about you, but I think your person may be having financial issues. That's why they have to focus on their career. Maybe they have some family issues also. That's why they have to make this decision. That's why your person is at some crossroads. Six of Swords, some communication and clarity is coming. Maybe very few your person want to clarify things between both of you. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. These are the current energies, and then in near future the energies will change. Okay, yes, Three of Swords. High Priestess. Yeah, this time your person is heartbroken and they're listening to your inner voice. And again Five of Wands, there is a lot of drama between both of you. That's why they decided to move on right now from you. Maybe after they will come back, but right now they decided to move on, and because they undergoing some spiritual awakening. Yeah, because High Priestess also, they're missing you so much. They're in so much pain without you. Three of Swords energy, they are heartbroken. And High Priestess, they're listening to higher self. They're listening to the inner voice. Maybe for some they did something wrong to you. That's why they're thinking that they are not good enough for you. That type of energy also I'm getting. You also feeling stuck, Libra. Eight of Swords energy, because there is obsession, Justice, and Four of Cups. Yeah, missed opportunity. There is missed opportunity with each other. You also feeling sad and you also feeling stuck, because Four of Swords, Eight of Swords energy, sorry. You are feeling stuck. You are unable to move on from this person, and Justice. But you will overcome this energy in near future, Justice. Maybe for some second chances, maybe they are coming back for second chances, but you stand by your power and you are very grounded. You are in totally in your control. Four of Cups, missed opportunity. Again Four of Cups, yeah. World. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Again, this could be long distance relationship. Yeah, Four of Cups. I am not saying this connection is going anywhere, because you are feeling stuck. Your person also feeling heartbroken. Right now, they are not communicating with you because undergoing some spiritual awakening. They are in hermit mode. For some, your person, very few, you will get communication, but lot of you, your person decided to move on. Guys, this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, so it depends, because every one situation is different from other. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Libra. Don't let your past hold you back. Walk through your fears. These are the messages from Moon Oracle deck. So first card, don't let your past hold you back. So don't think about your past because it hold you back. Be in the present moment, and this is the message from universe. Okay, so when you hold your past, it can affect your present relationships also, and walk through your fears. So if you're having any fears regarding relationships, or like normal fears in your life, work through your fears. You have to overcome those fears. This is the message from universe. So especially when new moon on Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.